Hello everyone, this is Michael from ProfitSportsBetting.com. Today I want to talk about LayPro 88. If you remember, I think last to last week I uploaded one video which talks about the performance of LayPro 88 for one of our client. And if you remember, this is a video which I uploaded last time. You can also see this video in my channel, LayPro 88 Live Betting Results for the Client VPS, where we talked about that how the client is making profit using LayPro 88 bot. And last time the highest number, I would say he has placed, like he had placed around 673 bets, and the profit was 1339 £1,339 as on that day, which is like 22nd of January, and today it is like 28th, so it's just a week, not even a week, maybe 6 days would have gone by the time like I'm creating this video now. So I'll take you to the client VPS, and this is the client VPS right now. So the overall bets have increased to 762 because the client is betting on UK, Ireland, and Australia, and the number of bets have increased from 673 to 762. And now the overall profit has also increased. Overall profit is 1510 GBP, and as you can see he had some good losses as well, as you can see. But yeah, but right now he's on a winning run of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 14. And yeah, and you can see lay 1 lay 2. So lay 1 is basically our original lay pro 88 system, and lay 2 is as I mentioned last time also, lay 2 is basically more of a test that how the system will behave only on non-handicap races. So good increase in profit, almost close to 200 pounds in less than 6 days, as you can see. And so Lepre 88 is doing perfectly very well. So if you have not looked at Lepro 88 yet, I will ask you to have a look. Please click at the link at the bottom of the video. It will take you to the sales page, and you can see what the different clients have to talk about the great system, and you can take it forward from there. So fantastic performance by Lepro 88, and I'm sure it'll keep on doing the same. Okay, that's all from today, and speak to you next time. Bye bye.